And now for something completely different. Scotsman and a horse. No, it's not a Scotsman and a horse. When my wife asked me to have a look at her equipment, yeah, I should have known it was a trap. There's some medical equipment. She works in a hospital. She bought this in with a broken... Too dark? That's okay. See? Yep. So that has been ripped off. This, whatever that is, that's a Ramblegard. And it's been ripped off. What looks like a telecom port there. Now this bit of kit is to, I believe it's to put into patients, so when they move an alarm goes off, like an electronic babysitter. See if I can do anything with it. Can we see this connector? It's like a telecoms, like a phone kind of thing. And it's been ripped off, as I said, the other end. So I was planning to do away with the weak link connector there. Do it with that connector. Maybe I can attach that permanently into this control unit. I've already checked that's acceptable. It's either that or throw the thing away. No. Let's leave it record while I open it. Just give me some springs flying out or similar. It's connected to a buzzer. See, as I say about springs, one spring in the middle. As you can see, it's a battery powered device, 3 AA's. And this is the solution I've come up with. I put the cable into where the plug used to be. There's a little slot down the bottom there which I enlarged to get the cable in. Around the side and over the top. I soldered those directly onto the pins, hopefully to the right pins. Now I've just asked she who must be obeyed at all times without question how this thing works. So I've loosely put it back together, and apparently there's some sort of switch in the back here. Ah! She rides! Come on, get off. And go! P.S. The more observant among you may have noticed that there's a hole in the middle there where one of these lenses has dropped out. It's lucky I only put one screw back in. And there we go, another piece of equipment saved from landfill and saving the NHS a few quid. And no, I don't charge for this kind of thing. So if there's any NHS techs looking at this, maybe, you never know, you can now fix it yourself. If that's been useful to anybody, leave a comment, leave thumbs down, thumbs up, and a kebab.